In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a list from one Trello board to another. Whether you're reorganizing your workflow or simply trying to declutter, shifting lists effectively between boards can greatly enhance your productivity. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to trello.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in, so go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, you can log in using your email or opt for the convenience of signing in with your Google account. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to access your boards. You'll want to head over to the board section, which is the central hub of your Trello activities. This section is also known as the Your Workspaces area. From this page, you will see all the boards associated with your account. Find and select the board that contains the list you want to move. After clicking on your desired board, it will open up and display all the lists and cards contained on that board. Now, identify the specific list you want to move. An easy way to do this is by looking for the three dots next to the list's name. This is often called the Options menu. Click on these three dots. A menu will appear giving you several options for managing your list. From here, you want to select Move List. This option lets you transfer the list entirely, preserving the order of cards, rather than having to manually recreate it on another board. When you click on Move List, you'll see a window offering a drop-down menu. This menu is labelled Board, signifying that it allows you to choose which board you want to move your list to. Click on this drop-down and you'll see all the boards you have access to. Select the board you want your list to be transferred to. After selecting the board, you'll have the option to choose the position of your list on that board. This is a handy feature if you want to organise where exactly the list appears in relation to others on the new board. Once you've chosen the desired position, or if you're fine with the default positioning, the final step is to click on Move, and just like that, your list is transferred to the new board, preserving all the important details and organisation it had before. And there you have it, you've successfully moved a list from one Trello board to another. This simple yet effective technique can save you plenty of time and help streamline your project management tasks. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more Trello related questions, feel free to check out our other tutorials.